Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read the Fidelity app. First, download the Fidelity Investments app from your device's app store. Once installed, securely log in using your established username and password. The home screen provides an immediate overview of your accounts. You'll find your total portfolio value prominently displayed at the top, giving you a quick snapshot of your investments. This initial view is designed for easy navigation and understanding. After logging in, you'll see a list of your individual accounts. Tapping on any specific account reveals its detailed information. Here, you can view your current balance, along with the daily change in value, often shown in both dollar amount and percentage. You can also review your specific holdings, recent activity, and overall performance. The app provides convenient access to statements and important tax documents. The app offers powerful tools to understand your investments better. You can check the performance of your holdings over different time frames, such as 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year. Analyze your asset allocation to ensure diversification. The research section allows you to explore stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. You can also create watch lists to monitor investments you are considering. Beyond viewing, the Fidelity app enables active management of your finances. You can easily initiate trades to buy or sell securities directly from your account. Transferring funds between your various Fidelity accounts is straightforward. For long-term growth, consider setting up recurring investments. Should you need assistance, customer support is readily available through the app, offering convenient help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.